Okay. So did anybody have any questions from the reading material?
No.
Okay. Want to go ahead and get started on the quiz?
Yes.
Okay. All right, we ready? Okay, question 3. In previous lessons, we had assumed the population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about the standard deviation. What has changed? We assume the standard deviation is unknown. We assume the standard deviation is always 1, or we assume the standard deviation is the same as the population mean. So we assume the standard deviation is unknown.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right, next one. For the next 2 questions, let the null and alternative.
Question 4. Oh.
Yep. No, you go ahead.
Sorry. Question 4. For the next 2 questions, let the null and alternative hypothesis be uh, 8 and alternative more than 8. Assume that the population standard deviation is not known. Becker collects a sample size and 9 attributes x equal 11 and s equals 6. So is sigma known? No.
No.
Who is next?
What is the value of t? So
Sorry.
the next question is, what is the value of t? So t is equal to the sample distribution, or x bar minus mu, divided by s, divided by the square root of n. So to get this one, we do x bar minus 8 which is 11 minus 8, divided by s square root of n, which is 9, which will give you 10.556, or just 10.6. We all good?
Let's see. I got 1.5, but I used the Excel spreadsheet to put the information in, so I didn't actually do the formula. Let me try and do the formula.
Okay. Whoops.
So I got 1.5. You take 11 minus 8,
Divided by
3, divide all that by 6, divided by, no,
6 divided by the square root of 9, right?
yeah,
Oh, yeah, no, I got 1.5 too. I don't know what I was doing.
it's okay.
Okay, yeah. And then
So next question, we have a block of information. Use the following values which are pulled from the data file body temp for the next 5 questions. Copy and paste them into your software. Use the null hypothesis, the standard deviation, or I'm sorry, the mean, population mean equals 98.6. Alternative hypothesis is less than 98.6. And a significance level of 0.05. So we have body temperature file, where you can grab the numbers from there. All of these. So do we just need the ones they gave us? Because there's a lot more.
yeah, I think. And you can't copy and paste from this
Right.
text either, so.
It's annoying. So, line.
I think you're just supposed to use these values.
Yeah. Six, 4 less than. Okay.
Now, just to check, which Excel spreadsheet are you using?
The quantitative inference procedures.
Okay.
I'm doing the one sample t-test.
Cool.
So I got the mean as 98.220.
That's what I got too.
And the next is what is S? Which S is the standard.
Sorry, what
deviation.
is the answer? Sorry.
For question 6 is 98.220 or 98.22.
98.22.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. And question 7,
Uh-huh.
I got 0.922. 0.922.
And the app did it, not me. Or the Excel spreadsheet did it. Okay, question 8. What is the t-score? Which the t-score is that the 427.903?
Did you change the null hypothesis and stuff?
No hypothesis 8? Yeah.
It should be 98.6. The null hypothesis.
Yeah. Oh, the t-score is the negative 1.842.
Yep, that's what I got.
Uh-huh. Question 9. What is the p-value?
Zero point 0.960, right?
I have 0.040. Trying to figure out why.
Do you? Well, give me 1 second. Let me check.
0.040?
Yeah.
Oh, you did it right. I did it wrong. I forgot to change it to lesser than.
Okay.
And then what is the correct decision based on the evidence?
Okay.
Fail to reject, isn't it?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Daniel, I'm sorry. I just want to come back to question 9.
Yes.
In my students' probabilities, if I put minus 1.843, the left part is area 0.0405. We should round up it to 0.041.
Yeah.
I got 0.0404818222.
Yeah. So we don't. Well, actually, here. Let me just check this. No, you don't do it. If you, cause like even if you ask Excel to do a rounding function for you, it still does it at 0.040. I don't know. What do you guys think?
We can always try one of them, and if we're wrong, then we have 2 attempts on the quiz. So
Okay. Question 10. What do we think? Fail to reject because everything was pretty low.
so the p-value. Sorry.
And you're using the one sample test, right?
Yeah, I'm using one sample test. So we only have. So significance is 0.05, right? Because we're doing. What's the question?
Yeah.
Yeah, 0.05, and our p-value is less than 0.05. So we reject the null hypothesis because we were less than
Yeah.
0.05 with our p-value.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's just hard because it could be 0.05. So we'll know.
Well, it's either 0.04 or 0.041. So either way, we're still less than 0.05.
Perfect. Now we need to do the baby boom file. And information we are doing average birth times.
So our null hypothesis is 40.
No hypothesis. And this is not equal to. Okay. All right. We are ready to start. Let's see. The first one. What is the p-value? I have 0.0 or 0.995.
Yep. 0. So failed to reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah, because it's 0.9
Because
and it's only 0.1.
Greater than 0.1.
Okay. Number 13. Do you want to do this one? decide to try another alternative hypothesis, this time u equals. Alternative is mu is lesser than 40, and you keep the same level of significance. Does the p-value decrease or increase? And the p-value decrease.
Yep. But we still fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Because it's still greater than 0.1.
Uh-huh. So now construct a 95% confidence interval for the true mean wait time between births at the hospital. So 95% confidence interval was point.
Well, this does this for you also in the Excel spreadsheet. So if you go back to that one portion, you can put in the confidence interval, which is already, it defaults to 95%.
Yeah.
And it will do the lower and higher values. So, I mean, the applet's fun too, but saves you the time.
Right.
The lower is 3.499.
And round to 1, we get to 23.5. So question 15, 23.5. And then question 16, 56.6.
Palettes, regular.
Okay, that should be everything.
Alright, so we only missed one. And the one that we missed was. What did you put for number 7? I think I typed it in wrong. I did.
Oh, yeah.
It's fine. Everything else was right. Good job.
Okay.
Alright, see you guys on Tuesday.
Yep.
Have a good day.
Yeah. Thank you.